Hello Techies, welcome back. You are here to find out the answer to the question that I asked. Okay then, let's move on. So what is the question again? Here it is. Listen carefully. What is the difference between encryption and hashing? Before we move on to the question, let's have a quick recap of what is encryption and hashing. Encryption is the practice of scrambling information in a way that only someone with a corresponding key can unscramble and read it. Encryption is a two-way function. When you encrypt something, you're doing so with the intention of decrypting it later. Hashing is the practice of using an algorithm to map data of any size to a fixed length. This is called a hash value. Whereas encryption is a two-way function, hashing is a one-way function. While it's technically possible to reverse hash something, the computing power required makes it unfeasible. Let's find out what are the key differences between encryption and hashing. Encryption is a two-way function that takes in plaintext data and turns it into undecipherable ciphertext. Hashing is a one-way method of hiding sensitive data. Using a hashing algorithm, hashing turns a plaintext into a unique hash digest that cannot be reverted to the original plaintext without considerable effort. Encryption is reversible and hashing is irreversible. Encryption has a variable length and hashing has a fixed length. Encryption type is asymmetric and symmetric, hashing type is hashing. Encryption use common algorithms such as AES, RC4, DE, RSA, ECDSA, and hashing use SHA-1, SHA-2, SHA-256, MD5, 32 Costa Rican colones. That's it for today guys, let's meet with another tricky question in the next video.